XTC Scalp Prep is the first step to regrowing your hair. The buildup of oils, flakes, and sebum can clog your scalp and follicles, creating a barrier that traps bacteria and leads to hair loss and irritation. When the scalp becomes congested with buildup, flakes, and inflammation, follicles are weakened, and even the most advanced topicals struggle to penetrate and perform effectively. That's where XTC Scalp Prep comes in. Formulated for deep cleansing power, XTC Scalp Prep lifts away excess oil, debris, sebum, and dead skin, clearing the way for hair to grow effectively in a healthy scalp environment. Scalp Prep fights against hair loss by providing a clear and clean surface for hair growth topicals to penetrate deeper and effectively regrow hair. By deeply cleansing the follicle opening and surface, XTC Scalp Prep creates the perfect foundation for advanced treatments like Boost Plus, growth factors, and exosomes to absorb more effectively. With the pathway clear, these potent topicals can go deeper and perform better, driving real results from root to tip. XTC Scalp Prep, the first step to better scalp health and stronger, thicker hair.